Hey there, designer aficionados. Welcome back to PPP Designer. Today we are diving into a fantastic tool that sets the revolutionize the way you create mockups. The name of the tool is no. I'm not gonna say the tool name. You have to watch the video to know it. Whether you are a new bias or just you are a little bit pro kind of designer, this particular tool offers an intuitive platform to bring your design visions to life. So, buckle up and let's get started on this exciting journey throughout this tool. Hey designers, this is the website Maneken.app, where you can launch or implement any sort of mockups you have in your app or any website or any photo frame or any t-shirt, any sort of mockups. You don't need to use any further application like Photoshop, Illustrator, any third-party applications or plugins in your Figma file to get this beautifully designed mockups over here. So I already logged in. I will show you a few samples. Before that, you just dive and see how this beautifully artwork goes through it. Like, these are the variety of mockups available over here: laptop, coffee, mobile phone. Implement your screen and it's boom, ready to go. Implement the video, GIF, anything. It's one click away. So now you can see this website is very clean, to the point. Just drag your logo and place it. How simple is it? You don't need any Photoshop. Like, quick visualization for any logo application or any website in a mobile phone or laptop, any place. How easy it is. Resize according to your convenience. Change the color, change the font. No, you can't change the font, but you can just have a look and visualize of the future implementation. How this big hoarding banner look like. If I click this, whoa, you can see. Yes, like, just drag your image and drop it. Oh, little lips, nice. So I can visualize a big hoarding in a big wall of any building or apartment or anywhere else just by implementing my design. And the client, the third party or end person who is going to visualize, they can easily understand how it's gonna look. This is the final outcomes or output, you can say. So let's get started and do some tunings. Okay, I already logged in. My account is logged in. After once you logged into this particular website, you will land on this particular page where you have some settings. My name, Prabhu 1997, and this is the Maneken logo. 167 mockups. I think that's more than enough for a entry-level designer or mid-level designer, which literally require to make up his or her portfolio a better platform to showcase. So I will give preference first of all as a graphic designer. Someday I will sit and make you listen my story of graphic designing and all. But I am a complete product designer, or you can say UI UX designer. But first we're gonna jump to the graphic designer part. If a graphic designer do a photo frame or something like that design in his illustration, he can easily open this website, click on this particular photo frame. This is already I have implemented. I just have to remove this and let me show you how it's worked. Right click or double click on your Mac if you have MacBook. Insert media. Just insert any media you have. I have this one, abstract modern art Canva. Yes, it's not fit properly. I have some white padding on the left and right side of the frame. This visualization of a photo frame with my artwork is very pleasant. It's not my artwork, by the way. I'm not that great artist making the art, but anyway, so you can just fill or fit. I just want to fit, but it's already fitted. I can't fit further. Just make it fill. Now it's perfect. If you have any preferred size, but here the size is not mentioned, you can just try and test it how the photo frame gonna look after implementing. There is a fixed size of this particular photo frame, but your image can vary from different variations. So this is how it's gonna look, and one click away you can easily export. So there is few things more. I can change the color transformation. I think so. Let me see. No, you can't. Like, they already showed you what are the color elements highlighted in your image or in your graphic work, whatever you are. Just don't forget to transfer in PNG or JPG file, okay? I think SVG won't support over here, so that's more than enough. I can zoom in and see is it properly aligned or not. It's like a free canvas for a mockup and easy to go. Just simply export. It's a like the size as it is, normal as it. I don't want to change the clip to 1:1, 4:2. No, I don't want. So let's export it. After clicking on the export, paste. Okay, cool. I think export is done. Uh, let's visualize the export. Whoa, nice. Well implemented. The design is well placed and well implemented. So it's look perfect. Let's jump for another one. We are product designer. You guys are also a product designer or UI UX designer. You are working on different products, modules, or any application or any website. So without any wasting any further time, I will prefer to have a phone mockup. That will be very easy idea for initial purpose, but it's a pro. Try pro for free. Okay. I think I can't use. They didn't sponsor my video. Oops, sorry. And filter. Let's see, free only. Pro remove free. Is there any free mockup for my mobile phone? Please. Please, 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 please. Yes, we have. We got it. Let's open it up and implement. No, why this Canva is always implemented everywhere? Okay, I have few screens. Let's implement those screens and visualize how boom and how beautiful it's gonna look. Whoa, can you see? Just one click away, the user, the client, or the company, the product head, or someone can visualize how the application gonna look. This is much more useful when you are going to implement this particular mockups in your portfolio. That will help you to grow and to understand. Any viewers gonna use or view your portfolio, they can easily understand how it's gonna look. It gives an aesthetic with an appealing view. You can easily export, as I have said. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Maneken. I hope you found this insightful knowledge as a mockup website helpful and are ready to incorporate this powerful tool into your design projects. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to PPP Designer and hit the bell icon for more design in tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below with your favorite mockup tool or any tool you are using in your upcoming design projects or going on design projects you might have. So keep designing and stay inspired. Bye bye.